Hi guys, Cell's signing in here. It took a long time, but finally we get part 5 out. So, it's been really weird and crazy ordering that DVD, and a bunch of crap went down. I thought for a while it wasn't actually gonna show up and that the whole thing was a scam, but nope, here it is. But anyway, before I start reviewing the DVD and all the stuff, let me just say a few things before everything. This video isn't going to be as... I have to do this video fast because I originally didn't know if I was going to even be doing this video, so this one might not be as good as any of the others. Not that the others were good to start with, but this one might be noticeably bad. So yeah, forgive me for that, because this just... I had to do this quick, because I finally got the DVD, and I wanted to put something out there so that you guys know I'm not just stopping it. And second, originally I was gonna have some guests on here, and we were all gonna watch it together, some friends of mine, and I couldn't this week, but I still might be able to next week, so I'm gonna wait until then to actually watch it. But if I still can't have them on here next week, I'm still just gonna watch the DVD, because I don't want you to have to wait that long. Okay, so sorry for my rambling on about shit. So anyway, I'm gonna put this in close here. Candle Cove. As you can see, there's nothing on the back, first of all, for like a little just picture, and it's really kind of crappy looking. You can barely see Candle Cove. Sorry, this is like backwards. You can't, like, Candle Cove, the word, there's a C and there's the A on the back, and there's just there's the NDLE and then Cove, so that's kinda weird. And as you can see here also, there is the Skin Taker, I assume, because he has the really long teeth. And I don't know who this is. I don't know if that's actually a character. I don't know, maybe that's Pirate Percy. Who knows? I don't know. It could be Horace Horrible. No idea. I don't know. Then you have this. There's like a skeleton on the back, a skull. That's weird. Okay, if you open it up, nothing really to be seen on the inside. Just nothing for like a information booklet or anything. Just a regular plain old DVD, no picture. I don't know. In fact, the DVD itself, look at it, it looks like you could have just bought it at a store. I don't know. Either that means it wasn't actually made by the people who made Candle Cove, or they put it together a long time after the show aired, and they just really couldn't be bothered to do much with it. They just put a few episodes on. Okay, so... not really much else to say. Plain. Not much. I mean, at least it came, but I don't know. Like, I mean, I don't know. Not much. As I can't stress enough. But, for anyone who might seem to be hinting at the fact that this is fake, no, not at all. Here's the DVD. This is not fake. I haven't actually gotten any comments saying that people think it's fake, but I sense some sarcasm. Maybe. I don't know. But there it is, right there. I bought this. I bought it. Okay, so again, sorry for the crappy short update. Just wanted to let you know that this really did come, and I'm not just faking this. So, just wait until next week. Until I actually watch this. Again, I might have some guests, but don't get your hopes up. But anyway, I'll see you then, but I might post another video this week before, I might even post a video before this one gets up, but I don't know, that might not happen. I'm recording this before I record the next video I have planned, so there's a bunch of weird stuff going down. So, I'll definitely see you next week. for the final installment of Candle Cove, probably the final one. And again, sorry for just wasting 6 minutes of your life. I'll see you later.